Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to Deer Corner. Glad to be with you. Always like waking up to another good day. That means I made it through the night. I got another good day coming. Little chilly this morning. 56 degrees. Sun coming up. Last night the coyotes got pretty close to the cabin up here. Well, they were probably through the cabin area. But the outside lights were coming on and off, so they got pretty close. Fortunately, usually in the morning I could sit like I do right now and building this cabin for 5 years. I sat on this porch for 5 years and got 2 coyotes off this porch, sitting what I'm doing right now. But it's not what I want to talk to you about this morning. Something happened yesterday coming on up that I think needs to be addressed. And driving up from home and you get up into the mountains, the highway coming through the mountain and through the passes to get up here, they're not straight. They're curvy, and as you come up, there really is nowhere to pass anybody. And on the way up yesterday morning, I got behind some bikers, people on bikes. I don't know how many, there could have been 10 of them. But there's no way to pass them, no way to go around them. So I turned my flashers on and got behind them till we got up to the top of the mountain. And it kind of gets to the top of a mountain and it starts back down the other side, and there's a stretch you can go around. And I went up it a couple miles anyway, following them. Well, behind me, a couple vehicles behind me, was a pickup truck with a boat. And there's a place up here we call Tunneltown. It's a little gas station, little restaurant, all combined into one. They do a pretty good business up here. And I pull in there, I'm going to top my gas off, make sure I got enough gas in case something happens. I can have enough gas to get out. So I pulled in there and got me a cup of coffee and filled up with gas. And next pump over from me, the guy with his boat pulled in. And he got a yapping and carrying on about the bicyclers, the people on the bikes. And unknowingly, he didn't know I'm just coming up here to the cabin to play in the woods. And he got carrying on, and that kind of picked a bone with me, you could say. I don't look at things that way. I look at things different. I enjoy being up here at the cabin. I enjoy doing what I'm doing in the woods. I enjoy deer hunting and relaxing, sitting here right now drinking a cup of coffee. And basically, I don't want nobody raining on my parade. So I got to talking to him, and I kind of looked at him and I said, "Are you going fishing?" And he goes, "Yeah." I said, "Yeah, there must be biting pretty good. You must be putting a lot of fish in your freezer." Oh no, I'm doing catch and release." I go, "What?" He goes, "Yeah, I'm turning them loose." And the way he went on about the bicycles is the kind of way I just went off on him. And I looked at him, I said, you mean you're too lazy to clean the fish you catch? And that's when he finally caught that I didn't like his comment about the bicycles. And I looked at him and I said, well, look, they enjoy riding bicycles. You enjoy fishing, and I'm enjoying what I'm going to be doing. I don't want nobody raining on my parade, nor am I going to rain on your parade like I just did. Why are you raining on their parade? So, I didn't yell at him or nothing. It was just a discussion. And it comes down to it, we sat there and talked for about 5 minutes, and along came the bicyclers down the road. And I said, see, they're enjoying what they like to do. So what is it wrong for them to enjoy what they like to do, and you're enjoying what you like to do, and I'm enjoying what I like to do? And he kind of looked at me and we talked about it, and I don't know if I made a difference. I'm in no hurry to get up here. I'd like to get up here, but I was in no hurry. And if people enjoy life and enjoy what they like doing, there's nothing wrong with that. Nothing at all. But when you get people in there, which is going on today, for instance, me sitting on my porch here, looking for a coyote, maybe, armadillo. We got armadillos up here. I've been shooting them. And I'm sitting here with a rifle on my lap, going to say I can't do that. Those are the people that need to be examined. Those are the people that need to be looked at. What kind of life you got? Nature has a funny way of doing things to people. Nature calms people down. Nature's slow. And if you ever get out and hiking, and you get out camping, and you get out in the woods, things are in slow motion. Nature is not in a hurry. So why in the hell are we in a hurry? I can't figure that. That's one thing I can't figure out. Why are we in such a hurry to get to that next point that we pass up a lot of good things? Now, I've watched several oak trees. I've got several maple trees I'm wanting to tap to get syrup out of throughout the years. I watched them from 3 to 4 inches, and 5 to 10 years, 14 to 18 inches. They're able to be tapped to get syrup. But nature's in such a slow motion, you have to wait on it. So why can't we wait on things that we like to do? Or wait on things that other people like to do, such as the bike riders? We can learn a lot from nature. And I think we need to start learning from nature. And I'm going to quit rambling on. I got things this morning to do, and one thing I like to find today, pileated woodpecker. Every morning he's hitting this tree. And I don't know if you ever heard a pileated woodpecker hit a tree. It sounds like a drum. And I like to find out what tree he is hitting every morning. It's the same tree, the same area. Every morning he goes off. I like to find that tree. So I'm going to be out in the woods looking for a tree. But that's what I like doing. So you're going to have some bird watcher tell me I can't go out and look at a tree? I don't think so. But thanks for coming along. And go ahead and subscribe. And to my subscribers, thank you. And if you're out in the woods, especially today, this early in the spring, be careful. Be very careful. And you all have a good day.